In this section, we'll learn all about the sprint review meeting. We will cover the input to the meeting, the goal, who attends, the time box, the general approach to running the meeting, and the output. The sprint review meeting is held at the end of the sprint. The primary input is the increment developed during the sprint. The goal of the meeting is to inspect that product increment and adapt the product backlog as needed. The attendees of the meeting are the Scrum team and any stakeholders invited to attend by the product owner. The time box for the sprint review meeting is 4 hours for a 1-month sprint. For shorter sprints, the time box is typically shorter, and in practice, most sprint planning meetings are completed well before the time box expires. The approach to the meeting is focused around 3 key areas. First, the team demonstrates the product increment developed during the sprint. The team answers any questions that might arise about the demonstrated increment. Next, the attendees have a collaborative discussion of the business context for the product, including any new developments in the marketplace, feedback from users, projected release dates if applicable, and any other relevant details that help the team decide what would be the most valuable thing to work on next. Finally, the product backlog is adapted based on the discussion so that the Scrum team enters the next sprint with a shared understanding of the priority and context of their work. The output of the sprint review, then, is a revised product backlog that defines the probable product backlog items for the next sprint. Some people incorrectly refer to the sprint review as the sprint demo. Notice that the demonstration of the working product increment is only a small portion of the sprint review meeting. While it covers an important aspect of the inspect step of an empirical process, a demonstration alone does not cover the important adapt step of the sprint review meeting.